Hey ladies, welcome back to the Noel Effect. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these DIY eyelashes. Keep on watching. So for this look, you're going to need a pair of eyelashes of choice, eyelash glue, a pair of tweezers, and scissors. For this look, I'm going to be showing you a beginner-friendly version. So as you can see with the eyelash to the left, I cut for every two. Usually I will cut every one, but I wanted to show you an easy way to do these eyelashes. Here's an example. You see the eyelashes to the left are 2 flares and the eyelash to the right is 1 flare. Usually I would use 1, but to make this video easier for beginners, I'm using 2. Here I'm showing you the eyelash glue that I use. Please stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you what I use to remove my eyelashes. This is about how much glue should be on your eyelash. Alright, so you're going to begin by placing your first eyelash at the outer corner of your eyelid. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I alternate. I don't show you me doing the other eyelash, but it gives more time for my eyelash to get sticky. So I go from the left to the right, the left to the right, the left to the right. And then I just keep placing. When placing these eyelashes, you do not want to place on your eyelid. You want to place on the eyelash itself. This part is optional. You can use your finger, but I like to go in after and squeeze down. I feel like this part helps your eyelashes last longer. So this is you looking down on your eyelash. So if someone wants to look at you, these are how your eyelashes will look. This part is also optional, but I do want to show you that you can curl your eyelashes as well. And this is the finished look. Super easy. It took no time. It shouldn't take you no more than 10 minutes to do your eyelashes. But please, ladies, take your time and keep in mind that you are placing glue around your eye, so be careful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah! Okay guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of my video. This is what I use to remove my eyelashes. This is an adhesive remover, and what I do is I basically apply it to my lash lines, wait a few minutes, and then start removing. If I need to apply more, I apply more as needed. If you all would like a video of me removing my eyelashes, please like and comment this video. Thank you.